Okay guys, so just a bit of decimal practice today. So it's just these boxes I have asked you to do. So question 1A, so just these. Okay, so we can see here we have a number line going from 0 to 10. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and obviously between each numbers we can see there's 10. There's 10 places between each number representing each decimal. Okay, and at each little decimal we can see that there is a corresponding letter, and it is up to us to find what each letter represents. Okay, so we can see the first one here is done for us. Okay, so decimal 0.1. So that's what we have been given. We have been given all the decimals. Okay, we've been given all the decimals, and what we have to do is we have to find the fraction. So write that decimal as a fraction. You can see 0.1 is done for you because 0.1 is the same as 1/10, and the letter. So 0.1 is here, 0.1. Okay, and we can see that 0.1 has the letter A. Okay, see if I can zoom that. Okay, so we can see here 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1. And the next will be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and so on up to 1.9, 2. Okay, so let's have a look at a few random. We'll do 3.9. So 3.9. Okay, so we go up here, 3.9. There's 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. There's 3.9. And it's F. So 3.9. In here you will put F and the fraction. Okay, the fraction, 3.9. What do you think? It would be 3 and 9/10. Okay, 3 and 9/10, which would look like this. 3 and, sorry, I'm just trying to look through the camera at this. 3 and 9/10. Okay, and F is the letter. Let's have a look at another one here. Okay, 5.5. Okay, again, we'll head up here to the number line at the top. 5.5, there's 5. Okay, 5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4. There's 5.5. Lovely. Okay, the letter is H. 5.5 is the letter H. Stick H in there. And the fraction. What would 5.5 be as a fraction? Well, there's two things it could be. You might put down 5 and 5/10, or we know that 5/10 would be the same as 5 and a half. Okay, so I hope that helps there, guys, and there's only that many of them. Okay, so you just put, you don't even need to look on the number line to do the fraction. Okay, you can just put the fractions in there yourself. 2.4, you could be 2 and 4/10, or 2 and 2/5, whichever one you want, and finding the letters. Okay, so just a little bit of practice to get the idea of the decimals back into your heads there. Okay, and good luck with that. Okay, and if you actually look at your own rulers at home, they're similarly set out. Okay, because we know that for every centimeter there's 10 millimeters. Okay, so it's quite similar. A millimeter is like 1/10 of a centimeter. Well, it is 1/10 of a centimeter. So our rulers at home can help us with our decimals when we're talking about tenths. Not so much when we're talking about hundredths, but we'll get into that a different time. Okay, you can see it's down here, can't you? So we'll have a look at them tomorrow. You can have a quick sneak peek at them today, obviously, if you want to have a quick sneak peek. All right. but we won't look at that today just yet. Okay, so best of luck with that there, guys, and if there's any questions, please get in touch. Bye.